Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about how to add a custom token to your Metamask wallet. Okay, and the reason why I'm making this video because just like me, I was new to the crypto, and it is quite intimidating when you know when you have to transfer tokens outside of your exchange, wherever you bought your Ethereum or any other token that you want to transfer to an outside wallet because you want to be able to use it on a DeFi exchange. Okay, so and the reason why also uh, we chose MetaMask Wallet because it is the most accepted wallet to connect in all these exchanges. So whether you go to Shiba Swap, Uniswap, Pancake Swap, uh, Ape Swap, Alpaca, you're gonna the default one is gonna be MetaMask. Okay, so that's the one I will recommend. It's the most accepted. It's a little learning curve, but once you learn the basics, you'll be all right. And one of them is adding a custom token. So let's get started. So when you go to your MetaMask wallet, let's open that up. You're gonna scroll down to these are the ones that I have here, right? Some of them are custom, some of them are not custom. Some of them are already in the MetaMask wallet, like Telcoin. Excuse me, a Hollow token, and the basic ones are in the MetaMask. So if you're gonna add token, for example, let's add one that's already there. It's not a custom one, but let's just pick one from let's see. So if I put D, as you can see, these came up like DLP duck token and so on. And you might want to add something in there, like I don't know, any type of coin. Most likely, it's not gonna show up here. You're gonna have to do the custom way. Okay. So what you do is to get the contract address, because that's all you need. You need to copy the token contract address, and you're gonna paste it here. And it'll look for it, and it'll put the symbol here and the decimal places here, and then you just go from there. So for that, you're going to go to CoinGecko, and you're going to type in the tokens that you're looking for. For example, let me just pick one that I know I don't have. Everpedia, or Everpedia. So let's pick that one. So here it is, Everpedia. And the first thing you're gonna notice is what is the type of coin it is. Now there is a BSC scan and Ether scan. For the purpose of this video, I know is gonna be an Ether scan. So before you do anything else, make sure you're on the right blockchain. So you'll see Ethereum mainnet, that's going to be Etherscan. If it's BSC scan, then you're going to pick Binance Smart Chain. Okay? And that is your BNB type tokens. Okay? Those are two ones I'm going to focus on only. Ethereum based token, Binance. So this is going to be an Ethereum based token. You got to make sure you have that. That's going to be your default one anyway. But make sure before you do anything, make sure you're on the right set in your wallet or your mainnet or blockchain. Okay? And it's going to be that. Okay? Ethereum. There's an Ethereum based coin. So we know that. We checked it with the wallet. Okay. And click on it again. And we know that. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy the contract addresses right here. Now they do have another button here that says add to MetaMask. Sometimes it works for me, Sometimes it doesn't work for me. I'd rather just copy and paste. I'm going to try it anyway to see, but I'd rather you, let me see, add to MetaMask. See, it says add it to MetaMask. Okay. So that one worked that way. Okay. If you do have the MetaMask icon next to the token address, then you can, again, this is the why I don't like the MetaMask icon. For some reason it doesn't see it. Maybe I need to refresh it. And let's see. Let me go back here. And let me go back here to see if I see it. Okay. And there you see I don't see it. So this is why I don't like this method. That's why I want to show you that method. Because some people post videos on it and it shows it, but I don't like that method. It doesn't show you. It doesn't show up sometimes. For me, it doesn't work that way. So I'm going to show you the way I do it, the way you should learn how to do it. Because there's some websites that are going to have that little MetaMask icon. That's why I want to show you this way. So what you're going to do is you see the contract address. You're going to see that little paper that's there. Click to copy. You're going to copy the address. There you go. I just copied the contact address. The contract address. I just copied that. I'm going to go back to my MetaMask wallet. We're going to go down to add token. We're going to add custom token. I'm going to paste the contact address. There goes a token symbol. It's right there, IQ. Decimal places is 18. We're going to click on next. Now it's showing up, you see, IQ. I have no IQ balance right now, but that's the token. So I'm going to add that token, and there it is. Okay? So now that is in my MetaMask wallet under the Ethereum. Okay, so we're going to go back to the main account. And I'm going to scroll down. And there it is. Okay? This is why I want to show you that. I want to show you that. Don't just try to go the easy route and add to MetaMask. It doesn't work. For me, it doesn't work. Save yourself the headache and add the contract address. Because some websites are not going to have that. Okay? So just make sure you find the contract address for that coin. And then you copy and paste it and add it on your custom token. So that is an Ethereum-based token. We'll do another couple of them. So let's go to so that's one token I added, right? So let's say I want to add Baby Doge. Is it Baby Doge? Let's see how you do Baby Doge. Baby Doge coin. Say I want to add that one. Okay. So say I want to add Baby Doge. We got to identify two things. We're on our wallet. Okay. Now we're on the Ethereum mainnet. If you scroll down here before you even look at the address, Explorer, what kind of coin is it? It's a BSC. There's no Etherscan. So this is a Binance type coin. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your MetaMask wallet. Because if you try to copy that address and then try to add it into add token under the Ethereum, it's not going to recognize. It's going to say this coin is not supported. You have to switch your mainnet to Binance Smart Chain. Okay? Now you see the BNB type token. Right now I only have a couple of things in there, but this is for your Binance type token or your BSC scan token. So we're going to go ahead and copy the contract address of Baby Doge coin. We're going to go back to our wallet. And again, it's in the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. We're going to go down to add token. We're going to put the contract address. We're going to paste it. And there it is. Baby Doge. See right there, Baby Doge. Token decimal, 9 places. We're going to click on next. And we're going to add Baby Doge to our wallet under the Binance Smart Chain. And there it is, okay? So remember that. When you're going to add a custom token, any custom token, you got to look at where is their blockchain. Is it a Binance, as you can see here, or is it an Ethereum base? Excuse me. Okay, let's close that. Okay, let me just refresh that. Refresh. Sometimes these things happen when you're trying to present something. And I'm not going to edit this out. So as you can see with this coin, they do have both. But I use the Etherscan for this one. Now, some of them are just going to have Etherscan, so you're going to have to do the Ethereum one. So as you can see, this one is an Ethereum-based coin. So there you go. So Binance and the Ethereum-based coins. Okay. So we'll try one more. Let's go to I want to try one more so that way you can see a few times what you need to do. So let's just go to coins. Let's go to categories. Just to show you a couple of them. And we're going to go to meme coins. Meme coins categories right here. Because usually the more exotic coins, the brand new coins that come out, or the meme coins, are the ones that sometimes they have, they're not going to be all Ethereum based. In fact, most of the newer coins that are coming out now are Binance Smart Chain coins. They're very Binance. So most of them you're going to have to get them on PancakeSwap instead of ShibaSwap. Because ShibaSwap does not support Binance Smart Chain. Only Ethereum based or ERC20 tokens are going to be on ShibaSwap. Okay? So let's just pick another coin. Let's try Keanu Inu. Okay? So we go to this one, and we can see that is what? Ethereum, right? Etherscan or Explorer, but Etherscan is the one you want to look for. Okay? So there you go. You have your contact address there. So we're going to add Keanu Inu to our Metamask wallet. So again, I'm going to copy the address of Keanu Inu. We're going to go to our wallet. We're going to go to our Metamask. We're going to scroll down. We're going to add token. It's going to be a custom token. We're going to paste the address. And there it is. Keanu. That is the token symbol. 9 decimal places. We're going to click on next. And we're going to add Keanu. And there it is. Okay. So now we have Keanu Inu on our Metamask wallet under the Ethereum mainnet. Okay. And again, if I go back to the Binance, those are my Binance tokens here. I have SafeMoon there. That's the largest one I have there right now. And of course, BNB. I have nothing of BNB. Okay. So I want you to recognize that, always remember what blockchain the token is on, and then recognize that. Make sure you're on the right mainnet on your wallet. Then copy the address and go back here. And you're going to add token. And it's going to be a custom token, okay? And that's what you're going to do, okay? I think it's pretty straightforward. I went over it a few times. And you should have no problem adding any custom token to your MetaMask, okay? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And share the content also. And let me know what other wallets you use. I also use Trust Wallet because I don't own Tron yet, but I plan to buy some Tron token. And MetaMask does not support, as of right now, MetaMask does not support Tron because Tron has their own network. It's a Tron mainnet. And MetaMask does not support that one. That one I have to go through Trust Wallet. So if you're moving Tron tokens, then I will use Trust Wallet for that. And there's a few other more. But everything else, I use MetaMask. Okay? So thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.